Hello friends, this is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com and online channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today 29th of March 2020. Friends, today on 29th of March we shall discuss about COVID-19. Right now COVID-19 it is being spreaded all over the globe, whether it is Asian countries, European countries or American countries. The impact on the global economy and the human being, it is very worst situations are being seen. So as per the astrological calculation, what it is expected, we have keep telling and informed what astrological calculation says, the reason for COVID-19 and what is expected time to overcome this COVID-19. We shall send this video to all our paid clients and we shall upload a different digital media also after 15 to 1 month. So friends, first we shall discuss the COVID-19, what astrology says when it would be over. So friends, the Mars and Sun both are known for its fiery nature, and the Mars and Sun is going to be in exalted sign when these two fiery planets would be on the full swing and show its power. That very time the COVID-19 is expected to have some pragmatic solution to control COVID-19. By mid of April, you will find the positive news, and by end of June, probably we shall get relief or will have some practical solution to fight with COVID-19. So only 2 more months are there when we'll get rid of this problem. So friends, now one of the most important point, what is the impact on COVID-19 after it's over, or first quarter of financial year 2021, what would be the impact of it when you will find the first quarter results would be declared in month of June and July. So friends, there are total 12 planets are supposed to be counted as per the astrological calculation when we talk about the planet. You will surprise, by mid of year 2020, out of 12, the 9 planets would be under retrogression. The friends who knows about the astrology, it is fine, but those who don't understand the retrogression meaning as per the astrological, friends, when the planets moves in reverse direction, it is called retrogression in astrological terminology. By mid of year 2020, total 9 planets would be under retrogression. Pluto, it is going to be under retrogression from April 24th to October 4. The most important planet Saturn will also be under retrogression from May to September 25. The Venus, most beautiful planet, it is under retrogression from 12th of May to 26th of the June. Mercury, the significator of trade and industries, it is under retrogression from 14th June to July 2020. Neptune, the important planet, it is also under retrogression from 23rd June onward. And Uranus, it is also under retrogression from 15th of August to 19th of January 21. Mars are under retrogression from 10th September to 14th November 2020. Remember friend, Saturn and Mars both would be under retrogression from 10th September to 25th of September. So friends, these and Rahu and Ketu both are under retrogression permanently. So therefore the 9 planets out of 12 are under retrogression. What is the impact of this retrogression of 9 most important planets on global GDP and its economy? Friends, I scared to give my astrological prediction, rather advanced prediction, the worst like situation, worst like condition. I am expecting the worst scene of last 300 years. I am expecting the worst depression from 1932 Great Depression. I am expecting worst scene at the global GDP, global economic growth. Everything may disturb the global GDP just because of these 9 retrograded planets. Friend, it is not important the COVID-19 we all are facing. Of course, the God is very kind. The problem of this pandemic would be over, and our scientists, our doctors will find the solution for it. But I am surprised if we'll find some solution of this global Great Depression, repeat depression, which may be worse than 1932. Friends, as per the astrological calculation, what I am expecting, the global GDP, right now, I'll start with India. The Indian GDP, right now, it is somewhat 15.5%. It is expected to reduce by 60%. It is expected to be somewhat 2 to 2.5%, almost 60% off from current GDP. China, right now the 4.8% GDP it is counted. I am expecting it is being also reduced by almost 30%, and it may be between 3.5% to 2.5%. USA, right now 1.5% the global GDP. I am surprised. I will not surprise if the US GDP will be under -2%. Repeat, -2% of US economy is expected next 2 or 3 quarters. Europe, right now 0.75% expected it is the GDP. It is also to go under minus growth by 2 to 3%. If we see G20, the most important planets or most important powerful countries, G20, right now is the combined GDP, if we'll calculate, it is 2.1% to between 2.5%. It may reduce by 75%, and it will remain only 0.5%, the G20. And the global GDP is expected to 0.5% only. So friends, this Great Depression, I am expecting the negative growth in Europe, America, and G20, the most powerful nations. Of course, India and China, among these at the global level, will have some surprisingly little better conditions. Friends, if we'll talk about the India, around 40 crores people depending on their employment. If 10% if we consider, so around 4 to 5 crores job may come under problem. दोस्तों, 1932 की भीषण मंदी से भी खतरनाक सिचुएशन आने वाले 2 से 3 क्वार्टर में बन सकती हैं। चारों तरफ अफरा तफरी का माहौल होगा। यूरोप और अमेरिका की जो जीडीपी है, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ है, वो माइनस में जाने की संभावना बन रही हैं, और G20 भी ऑलमोस्ट 75% लूज कर सकता है। भारत भी अपनी जीडीपी 60% की बड़ी गिरावट झेल सकता है। अभी 5-5.5% की जो दर चल रही है जीडीपी की, वो लगभग 2.5 या 2% तक आने की संभावना बन रही है। इससे हम कैसे मुकाबला करेंगे, इससे हम कैसे लड़ेंगे, आज इसके बारे में सोचना निहायत ही ज़रूरी है। ये वीडियो जब हम आमो खास के लिए अपलोड करेंगे अप्रैल के महीने में, तो दोस्तों आपको पूरा विश्व इसके बारे में चर्चा करता नज़र आएगा। दोस्तों आपको हमारे वीडियो कैसे लगते हैं, हमारे शो कैसे लगते हैं, इस पे अपने कमेंट्स ज़रूर दीजिएगा। लाइक करना ना भूलिएगा, शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। आने वाले समय में हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट के ऊपर भी वीडियो लेके आ रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर आउटपुट के ऊपर भी हम अपने शो लेके आएंगे, मानसून के ऊपर भी हम शो लेके आएंगे। आपका एक लाइक और सब्सक्राइब हमारे मनोबल को बढ़ाता है और ये महत्वपूर्ण विद्याएं, हमारी रहस्यमयी विद्याएं हैं, भारतीय विद्याएं हैं, इसका आप यदि शेयर करेंगे तो निश्चित रूप से ये लुप्त होती हुई हमारी विद्याएं हैं, इनको पुनर्जीवित करने में हमारा और आपका दोनों का सहयोग इसे पुनर्जीवित कर सकता है। ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक।